Welcome viewers and introduce the topic of the video. Yoga poses for stress relief. Briefly explain the importance of managing stress through yoga and how these poses can help. Pose 1. Child's Pose, Balasana. Demonstrate and explain how to get into Child's Pose. Benefits: releases tension in the back, shoulders, and hips. Calms the mind and promotes relaxation. Breathing: focus on deep, slow breaths to enhance the relaxation effect. Pose 2. Cat-cow pose. Marjariasana Badalasana, show the cat-cow pose and how to flow between the two positions. Benefits: increases flexibility in the spine, massages the organs, and relieves stress by focusing on the breath and movement. Breathing: sync movement with breath, inhale for cow, exhale for cat. Pose 3. Legs up the wall pose. Viparita Karani, guide viewers on how to perform legs up the wall pose. Benefits: improves circulation, relaxes the legs and lower back, and soothes the nervous system. Breathing: encourage slow and steady breathing to enhance relaxation. Pose 4. Seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana, demonstrate seated forward bend and proper alignment. Benefits: stretches the spine, hamstrings, and calms the mind by relieving tension in the back and shoulders. Breathing: emphasize deep exhalations to release tension in the body. Pose 5. Corpse Pose, Savasana, explain how to settle into corpse pose. Benefits: complete relaxation of the body and mind, reduces stress and anxiety. Breathing: guide viewers to relax completely, focusing on natural breathing. Recap the yoga poses covered and their benefits for stress relief. Encourage viewers to incorporate these poses into their daily routine for better stress management. Thank viewers for watching and invite them to subscribe for more yoga and wellness tips.